A picnic in the rain. Rabbit wanted to have a picnic, but it was raining. Rabbit saw Mouse. "I don't like the rain," he said. "Come and sit under my umbrella," said Mouse. But the umbrella was too small. Mouse wanted to have a picnic with Rabbit, but it was raining. They saw Skunk. "We don't like the rain," said Rabbit. "Come sit in my tent," said Skunk. But the tent was much too small. Skunk wanted to have a picnic with Mouse and Rabbit, but it was raining hard. They saw Mousling. "We want to have a picnic, but we don't like the rain," Rabbit said. "Do you have a big tent, Mousling?" said Skunk. "No, I don't have a tent," Mousling said. "Do you have a big umbrella?" said Mouse. "No, I don't have a big umbrella," said Mousling. "But I am big," he said. "I like the rain, and I love picnics. Come and sit under me." And they did.